Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's video, I am going to read these newspaper articles. It is in German news and this news is from India. Noida, a nearby place, NCR place, there were twin towers which were burst out a few days ago as per the Supreme Court order. So it is all about these twin towers located in Noida. Now these towers are no more. So we'll read about these towers, what was the case, why these towers were demolished by the Supreme Court. So this is the entire news here. It is given in the German media. So we'll read about this. We'll read the detail about these twin towers. I hope you like it. You will find it interesting. So we learn a lot of new words. This is a good vocabulary. We can improve our German skills. Okay. Indische Zwillingsturme gesprengt. Indian Twin Towers. Indian Twin Towers. Zwillingsturme, Twin Towers. Gesprengt means burst out. They were burst out. Maybe with grenade or something else. So the verb is sprengen. Sprengen means when you burst something. Sprengen. Gesprengt. So this is 28th August. Okay. 2:40 p.m. In wenigen Sekunden fielen sie zusammen. In few seconds, they fell together. Fallen, perfect, fielen. Sie is for towers, they fell together, zusammen. In Indien sind zwei illegale Gebäudehochhäuser nahe Neu-Delhi gesprengt worden. In Indien, two illegal constructed Hochhäuser, high building. Gebäude means constructed. Illegal constructed high buildings near New Delhi burst out. Gesprengt worden. This is a passive voice. Gesprengt worden. These twin towers were illegal and they were burst out. Zerstörung. Zerstörung means devastation, demolition, devastation. Devastation was gerichtlich angeordnet. Devastation was ordered. Okay, it was ordered. The order was given by the court. Okay, the court has given the order. Why? Because verb is last here, hearted. So they were burst, they were demolished as per the court orders. While they Bauunternehmen, because the constructor Vorschriftenverletzungen, they did not follow the regulations. Vorschriften means regulation. So the construction, the builder did not follow the regulations and the rules. They did not follow the rules, regulation. Vorschriften. Verletzt, injured, hurt, but here means they did not follow the rules and regulations. So the court has given order. Innerhalb von etwa 9 Sekunden fielen die Zwillingsstürme in Noida. Innerhalb, within around 9 seconds, just within 9 seconds, they were brought down. 9 Sekunden fielen, they fell down. Okay, Zwillingsstürme in Noida. Einem Vorort der indischen Hauptstadt Neu-Delhi. Einem Vorort means suburban part. NCR, we say, NCR of Indian National Capital, New Delhi. It is located near New Delhi. Hauptstadt means capital. Capital of India is New Delhi. Unter dem Jubel von Zuschauern in sich zusammen. And the audience, Zuschauer, the audience was very happy. Jubilee, audience. Okay, the public. Public were delighted, very happy. They celebrated. Because they were also unhappy, they did not like this twin tower. They knew that these towers were illegal and someday they were brought down. Indische Behörden haben die beiden etwa 100 Meter hohen Hochhäuser gesprengt lassen. Indische Behörden, Indian officials have brought down both the towers around 100 meter high. These towers were 100 meter high. Gesprengt lassen. Okay, they gave order. Okay, they brought down. Nach der Sprengung stieg über Neu-Delhi eine riesige Staubwolke auf. Nach der Sprengung, after the demolition, after the destruction, demolition, there were cloud, okay, dust cloud over the New Delhi. So a lot of dust was there after the destruction, the dust cloud, and a riesige, very huge, very was about this text. Now we read further information. You can see below. This is the video. You can watch this video. You go to the website. Okay, you can find out this entire news online. Also one more text now. Yes. Research during Hunter Das Workstay Gerist Funanam Yardi Angevotment. The search during this devastation, the order of this devastation order was given by the Workstay Gerist, Supreme Court. Das Workstay Gerist means Supreme Court. The Supreme Court, the highest court, Supreme Court, had given the order, Angevotment. Why? Because of verb last. Because the privat Bauunternehmer bei den Wohnhäusern Washington verletzt hatten. Because the private constructor had did not follow the construction's rules and regulations. Bauvorschriften, there are certain rules, regulations when you construct a building. So you need to pay attention, you need to take care, you need to follow those rules. But in this case, private constructor did not follow the rules. That's why court gave the order, gave its verdict, and these twin towers were demolished. Das Gericht ordnete damals auch an, the court also ordered during those days against the government employees who accepted this plan, because there were also some government officers who accepted this plan before construction, so they were also guilty. So court also gave verdict against these officials, Behörden government officials who accepted the Gebäudeplan. They accepted this building plan. The Käufer der Wohnungen, the buyer of the apartment, the buyers were compensated. The buyer sollten zudem entschädigt werden. They should be entschädigen means compensate. So they should be compensated because they were not at fault. They were innocent. They were not aware that this building was illegal. So they should be compensated. Hochhäuser waren unbewohnt. These Hochhäuser waren unbewohnt means nobody was living there. Okay, nobody was living, unbewohnt. Die beiden neuen Türme haben alles blockiert. Both new towers have blocked everything. Blocked everything. Our Luft, air, our sunlight, air was blocked by this twin tower. Said their Anwohner, inhabitants Uday Bhan Singh Titodia. One of the inhabitants said this thing to the newspaper agency Nachrichtagentur AFP. He said he was not happy that these twin towers blocked everything. Seine Klage, his complaint against the Supertech, one of the private constructor, Supertech constructor, one of the private constructor. His complaint had brought down this demolition, in which twin towers like 32 and 29 etagen. There were 32 floors and one has 29 floors. High building were insgesamt 1,000 apartments. In these twin towers, they had 32 floors, one has 29 floors, and total 1,000 apartments were there. They were untergebracht, they were brought down, they were devastated, they were destructed. Sie wurden jedoch aufgrund der jahrelangen Rechtsstreitigkeit nie bewohnt. Since then, nobody was living there, because the case was going on. So because of that, nobody was living. That's why unbewohnt. Nobody was there inside these flats because the court was listening. The case was under the court. The fight against the building again went before Indians Augustus Gericht. This case went till the highest court in the country. Means it might have started with the lower court and went up to the highest court, Supreme Court. Indische Medien bezeichneten die beiden Hochhäuser auch als Twin Tower. Indian media named them the Twin Tower. Both the Hochhäuser, very skyscraper. These high towers are also called skyscrapers. They were given the name Twin Tower, and this name was given by the Indian media. So that was all our newspaper article reading. I have made a playlist. You can go and watch some more newspaper articles in German that might improve your German language skills. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.